Hey everyone, want to learn how to manage your cloud AI billing settings? In this video, I'll show you how to check your payments, update billing information, and manage your subscription details step by step. Yeah, keeping your billing information updated helps you avoid payment issues and stay in control of your account. First, open your web browser and visit the Cloud AI website. Sign in to your account using your email address and password. Make sure you're logged into the account connected to your active plan or subscription. After signing in, open your account menu and go to the billing or subscription section. Look for options such as billing, payments, subscription, or account settings. This is where you can manage your payment details and review your plan information. Next, check your current billing details. You can usually view your active plan, billing cycle, payment history, and any available invoices. Reviewing this information regularly can help you keep track of your cloud AI expenses. If you need to update your payment method, select the option to manage or edit your billing information. Add your new payment details, remove an old payment method if needed, and save your changes. You can also review your invoices or download payment records from the billing section. Keeping these records can be helpful for tracking expenses or managing business accounts. If you experience billing problems, check that your payment information is correct and that your card or payment method is active. So updating your details and checking your subscription status can solve many common billing issues, and that's how you manage cloud AI billing. By keeping your payment information and subscription settings organized, you can use cloud AI without unnecessary interruptions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.